Good evening po, sir. So, ang una ko pong ginawa is inarrange ko po yung large and small na size nila, and yung aking code na nilagay ay ang select from front product order by per size ASC. And sumunod naman po, yung pangalawa naman po is ang aking ginawa, inobtain ko po yung product na malapit na ma-expired na sa buwan ng August. And ang aking ginilagay na code ay select asterisk from product where capital po yung where and month po, then open close parenthesis, yung nasa loob naman po is p underscore expi date and equals 8. Kaya 8 po yun kasi pang 8 po yung August sa date ng buwan. Then sumunod naman po is yung kinalculate ko po ang total ng sales from products cart, and ang aking ginamit na code is select product name, size, sum, open close parenthesis, product quantities, nasa loob po niyan, and AS total quantity. Sumunod naman po is sum, open close parenthesis, nasa loob po is total, and as total sales. And sumunod naman po is from product underscore cart and group by product name and comma size. Yan. Ang pangapat kong ginawa is ginawa ko po siyang comma na symbol, yung symbol na po unahan. At di na po siya magiging by row kasi dahil ginawa ko na nga po siyang comma. And ito po yung aking ginamit na code. Select date underscore uploaded as sales underscore date group underscore concat open close parenthesis, yung nasa loob po niya product underscore name, and sumunod mo as products underscore sold, and sumunod naman po ulit is group underscore concat and open close parenthesis product underscore size, and sumunod po is as a size, and sumunod naman po ulit group underscore concat open close parenthesis product underscore QTY. Ang ibig sabihin po nun as quantities. Then sumunod naman po sum total underscore amount and AS total underscore sales from sales group by date uploaded. Then yung panglima naman po is para malaman ko po kung ilan yung entries ng product cart, and ito po ang code na aking ginamit. Select count open close parenthesis, and sa loob po niyan is asterisk AS total underscore entries, sumunod po from product underscore cart. Yun lamang po. Thank you po. Good evening po ulit, sir.